Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and today I will guide you, through transferring money from your Go to Bank account to Cash App. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. First, of course, guys, I want you to make sure that you have both the GO2BANK app and the Cash App installed and logged in. You also need a linked bank account that actually connects both apps. And guys, I want you to make sure that this is the same bank account you're using for both. Okay, now first things first, what I want you to do, I want you to open the Go to Bank app. So from the home screen, you want to tap on a transfer money and select add an external bank. You want to enter the details for your bank account, which you have already linked to Cash App. So Go to Bank will actually verify the account, which may take a day or two. And once verified, guys, what you want to do is you want to go back. Okay, you want to go back to the transfer money section and go to bank, select your linked bank account and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Okay, review your business details, and guys, what's going to happen is you want to confirm the transfer, and of course you have to allow like 1 to 2 business days for the money to reach your bank. Now guys, once it has reached your bank, I want you to switch over to Cash App. So once the money is basically in your bank account, you're gonna open up Cash App and then just tap on Add Cash. You want to choose the same, okay, guys, the same bank. This is very important. Choose the same bank account you just transferred to and enter the amount, confirm, and voila, guys, the funds are now in your Cash App balance, okay? And guys, that is basically how you can easily transfer money from a GO2BANK to Cash App. Anyways, guys, if this video helped, make sure you like the video, smash that like button, and subscribe, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to Frequently Asked Questions so you can get notified when the next video drops. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.